In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gmail IMAP. IMAP lets your emails stay in sync across devices and apps, so when you read, move, or delete a message in one place, it updates everywhere. We'll turn on IMAP inside Gmail settings and make sure the right options are saved, so your mail client can connect smoothly. First, open Gmail and sign in to the account you want to use. Make sure you're in the correct inbox for the mailbox you plan to connect to an email app later. If you use multiple Google accounts, double-check the profile picture in the top right corner so you don't change the settings for the wrong account. Next, look to the top right corner of Gmail for the gear icon. Click it to open the Quick Settings panel. From there, select See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings page where you can access every tab and option, not just the shortcuts. On the settings page, find the tab labeled Forwarding and POP/IMAP and click it. This is where Gmail controls access for traditional mail apps. In the IMAP Access section, check that IMAP is enabled. If you see an option that says Enable IMAP, select it now. Enabling IMAP is the key step that allows desktop and mobile email clients to sync your Gmail messages and folders reliably. If it's already enabled, you're good to go. You may also see options related to how Gmail handles messages over IMAP. Choose Auto where it's offered. Selecting Auto keeps Gmail's default behavior, which works best for most people and avoids unexpected deletions or duplicates in third-party apps. Leaving these controls on the automatic setting helps maintain consistency between Gmail on the web and your email client. After confirming those choices, scroll down to the bottom of the page. The Save Changes button is easy to miss, but it's essential. Your settings won't take effect until you click it. Once you save, Gmail will apply the IMAP configuration immediately. That's it. IMAP is now enabled for your account, and your email client can connect using IMAP with the settings you just confirmed. If you don't see these options, your account may be managed by an organization, and an administrator might need to allow IMAP. Also, give Gmail a moment to update if you just toggled the setting. Some email apps may need a quick refresh after you save. With IMAP enabled, you're set up for seamless two-way syncing across your devices.